In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change who can access a file or folder in Google Drive on your computer. Whether you're tidying up a project or tightening security, adjusting access in Drive is straightforward. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to continue. Locate the file or folder you want to manage, then right-click it to open the menu and choose Share. This opens the sharing panel. In this panel, look for the section labeled People with Access. Here you'll see everyone and every group that currently has permission. Find the person or group you want to update. Next to their name, click the drop-down menu to choose a new permission level. Viewer allows them to open the item but not change anything. Commenter lets them view and leave comments or suggestions, which is great for feedback without altering the content. Editor grants full control to view, comment, and edit. So reserve this for people who truly need to make changes. If you want to remove someone entirely, click the remove icon that looks like a small trash can next to their name. This immediately revokes their access to the item, which is useful when a collaborator no longer needs it. When you've made your adjustments, click Done to save your changes. The settings apply right away. If you're working with a folder, keep in mind that permissions generally flow down to the files inside, so changes can affect everything within that folder. For sensitive documents, consider using Viewer or Commenter rather than Editor, and only grant editing rights to trusted collaborators. A couple of quick tips as you review access. If you don't see the option to change someone's role, you may not be the owner or you may have limited permissions yourself. In that case, you'll need the owner to make the change. Also, if you're managing several people, repeat the same drop-down step for each person. Then confirm with Done once you're finished. That's all it takes to manage who can view, comment on, or edit your Google Drive files and folders from a computer. You're now in control of exactly who can do what. As a best practice, review access periodically, especially after finishing a project or when team members change roles. Keeping permissions lean reduces accidental edits and keeps your files organized and secure. And remember, you can revisit the Share panel anytime to update access as your needs evolve. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.